How to clean the Ninja Woodfire smoke box. If your smoke function is acting up or you smell burnt leftovers, it might be time to clean the smoke box. Here's how to do it safely and thoroughly. Step 1. Unplug the unit and let it cool fully. The smoke box gets extremely hot during use. Wait until the grill is completely cool before handling anything inside. Step 2. Remove the smoke box lid and empty the ash. Lift the smoke box lid and pour out any leftover ash or pellet debris into a safe container. Do not wash the smoke box with water. It's not dishwasher safe. Step 3. Brush out the pellet chamber and auger area. Use a soft brush or dry microfiber cloth to sweep out ash, especially around the auger feed slot. Be gentle. Avoid metal tools that could damage the feed mechanism. Step 4. Wipe the lid and edges with a cloth. If grease or soot is visible around the lid or housing, wipe it down with a microfiber cloth. No need for harsh chemicals. A dry or slightly damp cloth works best. Step 5. Reinsert the smoke box and close the lid securely. Make sure it clicks into place. An improperly seated smoke box can block pellet feeding during your next cook. If this helped get your smoke back on track, subscribe to No Filler Fixes for more quick grill maintenance tips. And to make cleanup even easier next time, we've linked a soft grill brush in the description that's perfect for the smoke box area. Thanks for watching, and smoke clean.